If you want to disable Talkback on Xiaomi Watch 5, we have two methods that allow you to do so. The first method is to press the crown on your smartwatch in order to open the list of apps. And then over here we need to keep scrolling down. You can use your crown, of course, to keep scrolling down until you have the settings app selected. You can also use two fingers in order to swipe up and down, so this might be a little bit more convenient. You can tap on settings in order to highlight it, and then double tap on the display in order to select it. Now over here we need to find accessibility, so if you are on top you will have to scroll down. You can do this with two fingers as well, and we need to find accessibility. So let's try to do that. In case you accidentally go into any menu, you can use two fingers and swipe from left to right to return. Let me actually use the crown at this time. And there we go. Now we have accessibility selected, so we're gonna double tap on the display. Then over here, we need to make sure that Talkback is selected and double tap on it. And over here, we need to scroll down just a little bit to make sure that Talkback switcher here is now selected. And then you can double tap in order to turn it off. Scroll down again, tap on the X once to highlight it. Sorry, it's on this check, not X. There we go. And then double tap to confirm. And there we go. Now Talkback is finally deactivated. So this is one way to do so. And there's actually another way that I think might be a little bit easier for many of you. You can use the MyFitness app or MyFitness app on your smartphone. If you open the app, and go to the device option, make sure that Xiaomi Watch 5 is selected. Then we're gonna go to System and choose Accessibility Features, and then over here you will find Talkback, which you can just disable as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.